Friends, Hariprasad is here to give you a lecture on topic Introduction to Modeling. Modeling is definitely a thriving career, provided if you have the specific physical and mental abilities for modeling field. Both women and men can enter the modeling world and from there to tinsel world. Both women and men can enter the modeling field and from there to the tinsel world. Tinsel world means film land, film industry. Modeling arena can be considered as a launch pad to have a debut in cinema. Modeling is a launch pad to have a debut in films. Most of the actors, they came from modeling field to film industry. With its continued research towards glamour, fashion and beauty studies, this institute has hit upon a professional modeling diploma for the novices and budding models who can be trained and groomed to fit in the glamour world. Patience is a buzzword in modeling and cinema fields. Overall professional development is the chief aim of this modeling diploma course. In this age of competition, advertising has received a momentum, and in its wake, modeling has become a worldwide phenomenon. Modeling is no longer a hobby or part-time fancy. It is highly profession of repute. It has glamour, recognition and accords star status to successful models. The essential requisites for an ideal model are height, looks, wit, poise, a sense of professionalism along with the right opportunity and exposure. There has been a mushrooming of advertising, modeling agencies which provide the necessary grooming and exposure to budding models. The present course serves as a guide, as a mentor to those who hope to carve a niche in the glamour world of modeling and film. The upcoming models must know about cosmetology, health, beauty, skin and herbs and how they are useful to the successful models. Beauty is a gift of nature to women, but it takes away if not maintained properly. Face is the first part of the body that others see and also the first part of the body that falls prey to age and time. Even the best textured skin tends to lead to problems if not treated at regular intervals. Body in totality makes an attractive personality, and it is essential to take care to each part of the body from hands to feet. Since the course is meant for both men and women, the course material is also for both of them for their taking health precautions. This is an age of competition and advertising, and there is a need for enticing advertisements to seduce the buyer. An extraordinary advertisement needs an extraordinary concept, a brief copy, a snazzy slogan, or an unforgettable face. New brands need new advertisements. Old products need fresh campaigns, and they all need attractive faces and models. There is an inexhaustible demand for fresh, but for want of knowledge and aptitude, these fresh remain unexposed. The latest craze is fashion shows. Whether it is to celebrate an anniversary, launch a new product, or inaugurate a new project, modeling is no longer a hobby or part-time fancy. About 30 years ago, it was a stigma to be a model, and girls and boys from decent families were hesitant to enter this glamorous field. Now it is highly paid profession of repute. Earlier, only a few women's magazines were taking interest in fashion columns. The change today is dramatic. Almost all fashion magazines are allocating pages for the modeling subject. Modeling profession today has its own glamour, and a successful model is as popular as a VIP or a film star. The concept of fashion has widened in the last 10 years. For achieving success in the career of glamour world of modeling, looks and guts are needed. Confidence and a lack of inhibition are the prerequisites for success in modeling field. While conducting a survey, it is seen that many youngsters have the aptitude, but due to lack of knowledge and proper contents and proper diploma courses and right contacts, they are unable to get good assignments. There are a number of modeling agencies, advertising agencies, which are looking for catwalk queens, model kings in every part of the country, especially in metropolitan cities and more specifically in Mumbai. Indian women are now making waves in the international fashion scene, the glamour profession. Men are also equally important in modeling and they also making inroads into the modeling arena. There is a boom in Indian fashion industries and government designs in the world market. National Institute of Fashion Technology is doing its bit for the models and their costumes and dresses. Cosmetics, especially with herbal base, being manufactured in our country are known for quality. The art of Indian makeup and hairstyles has no parallels. An Indian face is exotic enough without being too ethnic. Indian girls or boys are smart and beautiful. They have lovely skin, tone and natural look. If they are assisted and professionally groomed, they are as good as the best in the world. What is wanted is proper grooming, teaching to participate in a contest. To meet this requirement, Konapredi Institute has come out with this professional diploma to train you to the right direction. What Indian models need today is a combination of height, looks, wit, and a sense of professionalism, along with the right break and right exposure, as is evident from the main contest in which Sushmita Sen and Aishwarya Rai won the Miss Universe and the Miss World titles respectively. Glamour is not out of reach if one is fully conversant with the modern techniques of living and know how about what to wear, eat and art of makeup. So one can even match the Hollywood stars for style. A survey conducted in this regard reveals that women, whether living in metros or villages, have a penchant for glamour, beauty and fashion, and they aspire to be professional models, but their hopes are not fulfilled due to lack of knowledge, guidance and professional modeling schools. A look at the background of catwalk queens reveals that most of them belong to middle class average families who never hoped to come out of the shadows and enter the glamorous career of modeling. To make a good model, one has to poise, looks, confidence and above all must keep in mind that he is in front of a camera and all positive negative points are under full view. Capitalizing on the positive points and undermining the negative ones is the secret of a model's success. From the many who aspire to a career in modeling, very few can enter the profession. Miss P. Honda's name is a household sizzling name in the world of modeling. The material deals with all aspects of appearance from smile to dress sense, art of makeup and hairstyling, diet and exercising, personal hygiene and body care to groom yourself into modeling field. With all the best wishes for a career in model world and silver screen. Before closing this lecture, I will give you 3 rules for success. 1. Trust your brain. 2. Trust yourself. 3. Trust Hariprasad. You become winner in life. Thank you. Carpe diem.